Mathematics 1, problem set 5, sum number 8, a card bearing a number from 1 to 30. There are different cards bearing a different number from 1 to 30. Range is 1 to 30. Therefore, sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 30. Okay. So here number of sample space n of s equals to 30. First condition, an odd number, we have to find the probability that a card bearing an odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you all know that. So you have to solve this first condition. I am solving this. Second, a complete square number, find the probability that a card bearing a complete square number. Complete square number means what? A number which is already a square of another number. A number which is already a square of another number, like 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3. So this 1, 4, 9, next will be 16, square of 4. These are called as complete square number, which is already a square. So here we have to write statement, let be the event of getting a complete square number, and B set will be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are numbers which are already a square. 1, 4, 9, 16, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Next will be 36. But here in our sample space there are only 30 numbers. So we can't write here 36. Therefore n of b equals to 5, and probability of b, formula n of b upon n of s, equal to 5 upon 30. Answer 1 upon 6. 5 ones are 5 6. Sum number 9. There is a rectangular garden having the length of 77 meter and 50 meter is breadth. Length 77 and breadth 50 meter, and there is a circular lake. In between the middle of that garden, having the radius of 14 meter, diameter, having the diameter of 14 meter. Now there is a building nearby that garden, and a towel fell due to the force of wind from that nearby building, and we have to find the probability that the towel is fallen here in the lake. There is a rectangular garden, length and breadth is given, diameter of 14 meter, lake is in between the garden. There is a nearby building, and from there a towel fell due to the force of wind and fell somewhere in this garden. So now we have to find the probability that it fell in the lake. Okay. So here in this type of question, first we have to find the area of bigger shape. The area of bigger shape, it means the area of rectangular garden. So here we will find area of rectangular garden equals to L into B. Area of rectangle, formula L into B. 77 into 50 meter, and we will leave this 77 into 50. Okay. Now area of smaller shape, that is area of circular lake. Area of circular lake. Area of circle is pi r square. Value of pi 22 upon 7. R, radius. If diameter is 14, then radius will be 7, and here r square, it means 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 22 into 7 meter. This is the area of circular lake. Now a towel fell due to wind and it fell somewhere in the garden. And now probability of towel fell in a lake equals to, now we have to find probability कि टॉवेल यहाँ पे सर्कुलर लेक में कहीं पे गिरा होगा. अगर ये हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करना है तो उसके लिए मुझे फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा एरिया ऑफ लेक अपॉन एरिया ऑफ गार्डन. Generally in each and every sum what we do, the smaller things, the smaller events like event A, event B, event C, that n of A, n of B, n of C, n of A, n of B, n of C, ये जो इवेंट्स है वो हम जनरली कहाँ पे लिखते हैं, न्यूमरेटर में. ये जो इवेंट्स है नंबर ऑफ A, नंबर ऑफ B, नंबर ऑफ C, these events generally are written on this numerator. And in denominator, always denominator is n of s, number of sample space. So in each and every sum, number of sample space, this sample space is superset. Sample space contains all the elements of that particular question. So here area of garden, this area of garden is area of this larger shape. सबसे बड़ा शेप, सबसे बड़ा एरिया जो यहाँ पे है वो एक अमाउंट है जो पूरे गार्डन को कवर कर रहा है एंड लेक को भी कवर कर रहा है. तो ये जो गार्डन है वो यहाँ पे हमारे ये वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या हो जाएगा, एन ऑफ एस हो जाएगा. एरिया ऑफ गार्डन एन ऑफ एस, और ये जो एरिया ऑफ लेक है वो हो जाएगा एन ऑफ ए. एरिया ऑफ लेक 22 into 7, area of garden 77 into 50. 7 ones are 7 ones are 11 ones are 11 twos are 2 ones are 2 into 25. So answer is 1/25. and बस मीटर हम नहीं लिख सकते because this is probability. We can't write meter as a unit. So here we have to write therefore the probability of a towel fell in a lake is 1/25. Sum number 14. Out of 200 students, total number of students equals to 200. Out of 200 students, 135 students like kabaddi. Out of 200 students, total number of students 200, and out of that 135 students like kabaddi. So here total number of students 200. Therefore n of s equals to 200. Okay, 135 students kabaddi and remaining students do not like. 135 students को कबड्डी पसंद है and remaining students do not like kabaddi. Therefore the number of students who do not like the game equals to 200 minus 135. 65 students do not like this game. Okay, now we have to find the probability if we select a student randomly, then find the probability that particular student which is selected does not like this game. एक स्टूडेंट को सिलेक्ट किया है और वो स्टूडेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसको ये गेम पसंद नहीं है, who does not like this game. So here total number of students are 65 who do not like this game. So here directly we can write probability of the student who does not like this game equals to total number of students 65 who do not like, and out of 200 we can divide this 5 ones are 5 13s are 5 4s are and not divisible. Okay, answer will be 13 upon 40. Sum number 15. The faces of a die bearing a number from 0 to 5. It means now on a die there are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Generally on a die there are numbers from 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here the question is different. Now the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the die is rolled twice. The die is rolled twice. Therefore, sample space will be, if the numbers are from 1 to 6, then we will write the sample space like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. But here number starts from 0. So we have to write 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Generally what we write 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then we will start from 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then we will start from 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Till the last bracket will be 6, 6. But here the last bracket will be 5, 5. Okay. So this is completed 0, 5. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay, not 1, 6. Here I have to write now 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Finish now. Next 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and now we will start from 4. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Now 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 5. Last bracket will be 5, 5. Therefore, n of s equals to 36. Same number of brackets will come here. 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2s are 4, 3s are 4, 4s are 4, 5s are 4, 6s are 4, 7s are 4, 8s are 4, 9s are 36. Okay. Now let A be the event of getting a number where the product of two numbers is 0. Our condition is we have to find the probability of a number where the product of upper faces means this bracket, the product of upper faces, or we can say the product of two numbers is 0. Product, multiplication must be 0. So here 0 into 0, 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 into 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here also 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0. So here A equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Now next will be 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and 5, 0. Therefore n of A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. N of A equal to 11 and probability of A equals to n of A upon n of S. Answer will be 11 upon 36. Sum number 16. Two-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, S equals to, again one condition is given, repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed, it means we can write 10 and 11 also. Before that, in exercise, I think in exercise 5.3, the question was the same, but there is a condition that repetition was not allowed. Repetition was not allowed, it means we can't write 11, 1, 1. But here in this question, repetition is allowed. We can repeat the number. So we can write here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next 31, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. Therefore, n of S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, n of S equals to 30. Now, first event, let A be the event of getting a prime number. So from this from this sample space, we have to find prime numbers like 13, then next 23, next here 31, next 41, 43, next 51, no, it is not a prime number, 53. Okay, bracket close. 13, 23, 31, 41, 43, 53. Okay. N of A equals to 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now probability of A equals to N of A upon N of S. 6 upon 30. Answer will be 1 upon 5. Now you all know that prime number. What is prime number? A number which does not come in any table, or we can say a number which cannot be divided by any number. 13, 23, 31, 41 ये जो numbers है वो कोई भी टेबल में नहीं आते. ऐसे numbers को क्या कहते हैं? Prime number. So here prime numbers are 6 and probability will be 6 upon 30. N of S 6 upon 30. If we divide this number, answer will be 1 upon 5. Next condition is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. So here you have to write let B be the event of getting a number which is multiple of 4. The same statement which we write in all questions. Okay. After that, multiple of 4. It means you have to find a number which comes in the table of 4, like 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, then 44, 40, 32, 52, this numbers. Okay. And third event is multiple of 11. Multiple of 11, it means 11 ones are 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. 5 numbers are there which are multiple of 11.